So everything's a little bit expensive in the West and holidays are hard to come by. This is where the benefit is coming to somewhere like Malaysia. Affordable luxury, like the title says. G'day, welcome to the channel, Brett Voyage. Thought I'd show you how I stay when I come to some of these places and give a bit of a rundown of the costs at the end of the video. Naturally, it's always at the end of the video. This is beautiful. Little oasis. I'm at the Upper View Regalia Hotel here in Kuala Lumpur. And I'm on the 36th floor, way up there. I'll give you a room tour in a minute. But down here, you've got coffee over there, a little mini mart over there. You can go over and get taxis and limousines over there. Somewhere to eat over there. It's all central. And within 5 or 10 minutes of here, you can get to 2 different train stations that take you to different areas throughout Kuala Lumpur. So it's a great little spot. Just through there, the Twin Towers. So you're central to everything. Here's one of the train lines I was talking about. Just beautiful and close to everything. Let's go up and have a look at the room. Give you a bit of a room tour. Here we are. Let's have a look at the main room. Nice. Nice view, big window. Air-conned. Nice desk area, work area. Look at that view. Good size bed, king size bed. This is a king size deluxe room. Bit of storage in there. And now for the bathroom. Oh, nice. Good size mirror. Great size shower. Really good shower. Good water pressure. So everything that you need, really. Also, there's a gym here. And did I mention there's an infinity pool? Check this out. So how much would you expect to pay for all of this? Now, I've got 5 nights here. It works out at $243.92 Australian. So that's about $48 Australian a night to have all of this. That's fantastic. Affordable luxury. Infinity pool, close to everything, gym, all those services down the bottom. There's also a laundry down the bottom there that you can do some washing, that mini mart, everything. So that's your affordable luxury here in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur.